Hello friends, I'm Babunee and today we're going to learn some new Nepali words together. Are you ready? Let's get started. Look, what do we have here? It's a watch. In Nepali, we call it Ghadi. Let's say it together. Ghadi. Great job. A watch helps us tell the time. Isn't it cool? Now, when you see a watch, you'll know how to say Ghadi in Nepali. Keep practicing and you'll be an expert in no time. Do you know what this is? It's a bag. In Nepali, we call it Jhola. Can you say it with me? Jhola. Perfect. We use a bag to carry things like books, toys, or snacks. So now, when you need to talk about a bag, remember the word Jhola in Nepali. Keep saying it, and you'll remember it forever. Look what I have, it's a book. And in Nepali, we say Kitab. Let's say it together. Kitab. Books are so much fun, and they help us learn new things. Now, whenever you see a book, you can say Kitab in Nepali. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking Nepali like a pro. Do you see this? It's a pen. In Nepali, we call it Kalam. Let's say it together. Kalam. Pens are so useful for writing and drawing. Now, when you see a pen, you'll know the Nepali word for it. So let's say Kalam one more time. Kalam. Great job. Do you know what this is? It's a glass. And in Nepali, we call it Gilaas. Can you say Gilaas with me? Let's do it together. Gilaas. We use a glass to drink water or juice. So, next time you're holding a glass, you can say Gilaas in Nepali. Keep practicing, and you'll get it in no time. You did such a great job today, friends. Keep practicing these new Nepali words. Ghadi, Jhola, Kitab, Kalam, and Gilaas. And soon you'll be speaking Nepali like a pro. I can't wait to see you again for our next adventure in learning. Bye for now, and don't forget to practice.